There's this amphitheater where I first played tabla on campus. Before that, no one knew that I play an instrument. So it was very dark and people were sitting and jamming there. And my roommate got a message from someone. So he told me, just let's go. There's some jamming going on. Carry your tabla. That was for the first time I went there and I started playing. So people started recognizing that, okay, I can play and all that.
My favorite spot is the main auditorium itself, because I have a lot of memories associated with that, starting from last November till February. I was a part of the GASP team, and because of which every day from 11 o'clock onwards at night, 11 o'clock onwards at night, till like 2 p.m., we were there in the auditorium doing our rehearsals, sometimes doing our assignments, sometimes sleeping there also. All those months that I spent inside the auditorium would be something that I would cherish.
I remember night canteen as this place which was like always busy, always packed with people. So the moment you enter there, it's this busy place where everyone is catching up with friends, talking, eating. And then imagine like crazy Bollywood music playing on the television in the background. So that's how we remember night canteen.
So my favorite spot on campus would be B29, because that's I can call it the heart of our campus. You can sit there, work there, study there, chill, relax, socialize, and the best part is that you can play pool there. So yeah, that's why it's my favorite.
I would say B29 is one place where I had the maximum fun and I put in the maximum study hours or maximum extra hours also of my entire campus time at that particular place. There used to be times when all the chairs and everything used to be full. So people usually they will get some mats and they would sit on the floor and work at B29. That was I would say that was the attraction of that place, that people wanted to sit in B29 because people used to sit on the floor and work. And again, I forgot to mention one thing. B29 is the first place where we used to do yoga. So there is one entire batch of 20 people doing yoga in the center of B29, and people would be sitting on the chairs and tables around there and looking at those people doing yoga. And
another favorite spot that almost everyone in our batch would be having is the lakeside. I know everyone would be saying that because that was one of pressure release points for us. We would just go there after a hectic day or a tiring assignment or a tiring class. We would just go there, sit by the lakeside and then just talk to each other. Some 5-10 of us will just go there, sit on those benches and then just talk. And
I'll tell you a small story that why I came to be known as the snake man of my batch. After heavy rain, normally what happens, there is knee-deep water on that path and you have to walk through it back to your rooms. And when I was coming back, there were 2 or 3 snakes that were, swimming around. And I don't know why it is like this with me. I'm very fond of snakes. So I saw this snake. My friend who was with me, he ran away. And I was the one, I just left my umbrella, I took my phone out and started recording it. Very close to the snake, like 1 hand distance, like 1 palm distance. And I uploaded that video to my to the WhatsApp group that we had, PGP1 WhatsApp group. And so that was a mistake which I did. I later realized it. Throughout the year, whenever anyone sees a snake or hears about any snake being present, being spotted anywhere on the campus, they'll send me, Sanjeevan, you are required here. They'll tag me on a photo or something. So that happens.
This place is well, everybody's running to the class. While you're running through the aisle to the classes, you know the Dana, the famous peacock over here. You're usually encountered by him, and he takes when you're running and you're getting late, he will usually come in your way, and unlike other peacocks, he stays there, doesn't run blindly seeing you over there.
You're giving us a lot of FOMO.
Is it
What
fine?
do you want to tell to PGP1?
You'll be coming soon, no? In a month or two, some of you will be coming over here. You have 1 more year, 1.5 years to go, and you can enjoy the campus here. You have a lot of time.